We tested Swift Assist with developers, and the main feedback we heard was about models. Many of you are already using models from multiple providers. And since Xcode plays such an important role in your development workflow, you want to have those models right at your fingertips as you craft code. This space is moving fast with new capabilities like reasoning, multimodality, and more. So we expanded our vision, creating an even better experience that we think you'll love. First, we're excited to bring ChatGPT to Xcode. We're working with OpenAI to seamlessly integrate their optimized coding models right in Xcode. And you can try this in the first beta of Xcode 26 today. Now, let's see it in action. Take it away, Holly.
I have an idea for a feature in the Landmarks app. Let's take a look at how easy it is to bring it to life. I'll open the new coding assistant from the toolbar right at the top of Xcode. I've already configured Xcode, so I'm ready to go. First, I'm going to add a new view to the Landmarks app. My idea is to show statistics about my landmark locations. Xcode created a statistics view and modified my existing navigation list. I can click on each code snippet and see the changes. I can also open the overview. It shows me all of the modified files in a single view with colorful annotations highlighting all of the code changes. The best part, Xcode automatically updates the code for me. And with previews, I can visualize my app's UI almost instantly. Now that I've got the statistics view in place, I'll ask what landmark data is in the project that might make a more interesting dashboard. When interacting with a model, Xcode automatically sends the context, like the file I'm in, what code I have selected, errors, and related files. And the model can ask for more information from my project as it works on a response. Here, it looked at various files in my project to understand my code and summarize data structures as feature ideas. And Xcode linked me to the reference files so I can understand the code too. This looks like a good plan. I'll ask to implement these ideas. I haven't really given any direction on how to present this data. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now that I've got the data, let's design the dashboard. Here's a quick sketch of what I'm thinking. I'll drop it in with my request. Sometimes the easiest way to express an idea is visually, with a drawing or mock-up or annotated screenshot. Wow, that's a pretty great start. It even used system colors and SF symbols to bring my sketch to life. What was just an idea a few minutes ago is now a feature I can try in my app.
And to help you stay in the flow and be more productive in the tasks you're doing every day, like writing tests and documentation, fixing issues, or simply understanding code, we're putting those capabilities right where you need them.
Let me start by showing you a new feature called Coding Tools. It's just like Writing Tools, but for code. I can bring it up anywhere in my code and get suggested actions like generating a preview or playground or fixing an issue. And if I'm looking for something more specific, I can just ask for it. A great way to understand non-UI code is to try it out. Like you saw earlier, there's a new playground macro for exploring code. It's just like a preview, but it works for any code. I'll choose Generate Playground. The code appears right in my file. It gives me a real example calling into the code. I can preview anything. Now that I know how this code works, let's add documentation. I'll make a selection and choose Document. It created doc.c comments, and I can also preview the rendered documentation. Everyone always writes perfect, bug-free code, right? But if something does slip through the cracks, don't worry. I can just click on the issue and choose Generate Fix and get back to building. And my favorite feature, the conversation history. When I'm working with the model, I love having the freedom to safely explore ideas. I'm often many prompts in before I realize I want to go back in time and go a different way. With the history slider, I can scrub through time and see every change, making it easy to roll back and keep on vibing. With quick actions, intelligent error fixing, conversation history, and more, Xcode is now supercharged.
In just a few clicks, you can start using ChatGPT in Xcode without even creating an account. You'll get a limited number of requests each and every day. ChatGPT subscribers can connect their accounts for even more requests. And you're in control of the data you share with OpenAI. If you're using models from different providers, it's easy to bring those to Xcode too. For example, you can add your Anthropic API key and use their latest models like Claude 4 Opus and Sonnet directly in Xcode. And you can run models locally on your Mac or private network, powered by the tool of your choice. This gives you flexibility and control to use the model that works best for you. And when a new model is released, you can just use it with Xcode. With built-in intelligence powered by the best coding models, Xcode 26 will transform the way you create apps. There are many more exciting features to discover, like the redesigned and simplified tab experience. So just like in Safari, you can quickly open a new tab with Command-T, and all navigation happens right in the same tab. And if you want to stay focused on a file in a tab, just pin it. Xcode is also more accessible. If you have limited use of the keyboard, Xcode 26 improves support for voice control, letting you dictate Swift code and navigate through the interface entirely by voice. And to make localizing your app easier, you can automatically generate usage description comments in the string catalog, providing the right context for accurate translation. The first beta of Xcode 26 is available now, and you can start coding with ChatGPT and other models today.